So as you can read from the title, we are going to be talking about why your bonnet keeps coming off at night. So if this is something that you struggle with, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's your girl Sofineee. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are not, you already know what it is. Let's get into this video. Alright, so let's start with a story time. So my best friend came over the other day, and she came prepared because we was already having a girls' night. She was like, you know what, I might as well just sleep over. I was like, bet girl, you can sleep over, whatever, another girls' night in. So she came prepared. She came with her bonnet, she came with her head tie. Like, she's my best friend. Like, she already knows. She watches my videos, she knows what it is. She has locks as well. We don't play any games on these sides. So same thing, we tie our hair down, put our bonnet down, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, my bonnet and everything is still intact, and I look over and sis is rubbing against the pillowcase with her bonnet is at the end of the bed, her head silk tie is in the crevice of the bed, and I'm just like, I woke up like, sis, what's going on? Told me how her bonnet never stays on her head. Like, she will always go to sleep and it will always come off. Like, one is always missing, whether it's the bonnet or the silk tie, but sometimes it's both. Like, it's just like, and her hair is pretty long as well, so it's like she needs both, and it's an issue. So I was like, you know what, if she's dealing with this, I'm sure so many other people are dealing with this, so let's make a video on this topic and let's get some solutions to this problem. Right, so there's about a couple of reasons why your bonnet could be coming off at night, but I do want to spec on, let's start on this first one. The first one could be that your elastic is worn out. So I have a bonnet here, and the bonnet has this elastic, and it's double-sided. So it has this elastic. When this elastic gets worn out, because if you wear it every night, it will get worn out. It will get to its limit where it doesn't stretch or snap back as much as it needs to. So sometimes this is what needs to be readjusted. Find a tighter bonnet. I mean, sometimes, I know for me, when it comes to things being really tight, it gives me a headache, so I make sure that it's not too tight, but make sure that it's able to like snap back if it needs to. Like, this is what you need. You need a snap back. You need that security for it to stay on your head. There's also custom bonnets. So if you are able to find somebody on Etsy and give them the measurement of your head, they will be able to customize a bonnet for you just so that it never comes off at night. Another reason can be that your hair is getting longer and thicker. So as your hair is growing, you need to adjust your bonnet. If you were wearing it during your 3rd or 4th month of your lock journey, and you're still wearing the same one a year or 2 in, and your hair is getting longer, your hair is getting heavier, it's not going to stay in the same way as much. So I would recommend getting a longer or wider kind of bonnet. Actually, let me go get mine. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Right, so here is the bonnet I'm talking about. So it's regular at the front, but look at how long it is. This is how long my bonnet is. I got it about 2 years ago, and my hair wasn't even as long as it was now. So I pre-bought this because I was like, you know what, my hair is gonna get long, so I might as well get something that's going to grow with me, so that I can, as my hair gets longer, I don't have to keep on changing bonnets. I don't have to keep on adjusting things and getting new ones, getting new silk scarves. Like, this is long enough, and it's gonna last me a couple more years. Because even when I do wear it, my hair is probably like right here, and I still have this much left. So I am gonna be with this for a while. I'll have all of these things I'm talking about, the bonnets as well. I'll see if I can find someone on Etsy for you guys, save you guys the issue of finding someone who does customize bonnets. That'll also help you guys a lot. But definitely this, I got this from Amazon. I got, like, it came in a pack of 3, so I have 3 of these. I have a black, I have 2 colorful ones, so I'm set for life. I don't need to buy any more bonnets for the rest of my life. I'm ODing. Other reason why your bonnet will be coming off at night could be because it's too slippery. Like, it is good for it to have that slip, but there could be some that are a little bit too slippery. So maybe just finding something that has the right slip, or even get something with a nice little blend. So a polyester blend would be really good. So something that's still slippery, still not as drying as cotton, but a polyester blend will definitely still be good. If you find that just using the good silk ones are always slipping off, get a good polyester blend. Another reason could be, and this is actually my best friend's reason, is that she's a wild sleeper. If you lay in bed and you lay in bed, your head is on your pillow, you're laying perfectly fine, and you wake up and you're on the other side of the bed, or you're laying horizontally versus vertically, like, that should let you know like you are not a calm sleeper, you are exactly a wild sleeper. Honest, when I was younger, I used to sleep just like that, but I feel like I low-key grew out of it. But you know what, there's a reason why a lot of people are wild sleepers, and I'm gonna let you know now. Did you guys know that your gut could affect the way that you sleep? Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. No, they say you should wait at least 3 to 4 hours after eating to go to sleep. That's just a good enough time for your food to digest, and so that when you're sleeping, the food doesn't just be like, okay, your body doesn't be like, okay, I'm gonna turn the food into a fat because I'm not able to break it down right now. If you're eating right before you go to bed, like your body is still working. Your body's not fully in rest mode. So that's that's another reason why you're moving a lot, because your body's like, I'm not fully done yet, but I need to get this food digested. Like it's making you move, because you need to burn it off, but you can't burn it off because you're trying to go to sleep. So until you're in that deep REM sleep, your body is still moving, your body is still working, it's still doing what it needs to do. This will manifest as you moving a lot in your sleep because you're trying to digest the food that you ate. If it is not the case of you eating before going to sleep but you're still a wild sleeper, maybe get that checked out. Go to a professional, go to a sleep, is there a sleep doctor? There's sleep doctors. They can figure out, they can monitor you as you sleep and see why it is that you're moving a lot in sleep. Is it a reason that's psychological? Is it physical? Like, they can definitely break it down and see what's the cause for you being a wild sleeper, because there is a reason. Myself, my bedtime is the latest 11. I'm not eating anything past 8 o'clock. I'll eat something at 7:30, 7:45. Once 8 o'clock hit, if I'm still hungry, I'm drinking water, I'm making a tea, I'm going to bed. That's a wrap. No more food. If you're a wild sleeper and you think this could be a reason, give it a try. So if you go to sleep at 10, work back 3 hours, don't eat anything, and if you do get a little craving, you want to eat something, have some tea. Tea is a appetite suppressant, so making sure that you always have some tea on hand right before bed. You can drink that. Some chamomile tea will be good. Caffeine free tea for sure, definitely has to be caffeine free, just so that you can go to sleep. So chamomile is really good for that. Yeah, green tea is definitely, I mean, if you can get decaffeinated green tea, you can do that as well, but definitely recommend chamomile. I literally just gave you guys 4 reasons why your bonnet could be coming off at night. If you feel like there's another reason, feel free to comment that down below, because it could be a million other reasons why your bonnet does stay on at night. And I think this is the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give my video a thumbs up if you liked anything that I said. Like I said, comment down any other reasons you think that your bonnet may be coming off, and subscribe if you're not already, because there are so many more videos like this coming on my channel. There's vlogs, there's career, because I'm an occupational therapist, there's LOCS videos, there's so much more, and I want you guys to stay in tuned. Hit the bell notifications as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay cute and stay fine. Thank you guys for watching.